Have you ever wondered how autonomous drones are transforming our world? Today, we explore their capabilities, market trends, key players, and the impact they're making across sectors. Stay tuned as we unfold how these advanced machines are shaping our future. First, let's talk about what makes a drone autonomous. Key capabilities include advanced sensors for obstacle detection, real-time data processing for swift decision-making, and robust communication systems for handling remote commands and data transfer. These technologies allow drones to adapt to dynamic environments and execute complex missions. The market for autonomous drones is booming. Predictions show the global drone market growing from $22.5 billion in 2021 to over $47 billion by 2028. This growth is fueled by increasing demand in sectors like agriculture, delivery services, and infrastructure monitoring. Now, let's explore 5 intriguing use cases of autonomous drones. In agriculture, drones revolutionize farming with crop monitoring and spraying. Delivery services like Amazon are testing drones for quicker parcel delivery. Drones offer real-time data in disaster-stricken areas, speeding up recovery. They inspect infrastructure such as bridges, enhancing safety. Lastly, in environmental monitoring, drones aid in wildlife conservation and tracking changes. These examples demonstrate the wide-ranging applications of autonomous drones. Leading the charge in the autonomous drone industry are companies like DJI, Parrot, and Intel. These trailblazers are shaping the drone landscape with their cutting-edge advancements in autonomy and data acquisition capabilities. Autonomous drones are transforming both businesses and governments. In the realm of agriculture, drones are boosting crop yields by up to 30%, while simultaneously slashing the costs of planting and monitoring crops. Governments aren't being left behind either. Take Sweden, for example, where the police force utilizes drones for surveillance and emergency response. The potential for drones to augment public services is truly remarkable. As we can see, autonomous drones are not just futuristic gadgets, they are powerful tools that are reshaping industries and improving efficiencies across the board. From enhancing crop yields and accelerating deliveries to aiding disaster management and smart city projects, these advanced machines are making a significant impact. The key is to understand and leverage their capabilities. The expansion of this technology promises even more innovative applications and opportunities. Thank you for watching. Show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing our exploration of tech's cutting edge. Remember to ring that bell for updates. See you in the next video.